Okay guys, in this video we're going to talk about BullX, which is one of the best crypto applications I have ever seen for trading meme coins. And this video is going to be about trading meme coins, strategies, and how you can use this awesome tool. This is being recorded for the first time even before the official launch, but you can use my link to get the access and skip the waiting list. So if you want to get started and use it, the link is down below in the description. It's pretty amazing because there will be also an airdrop. As you can see directly here, if you click on airdrop begins in June and trading volume is counted. So if you start trading, you get points and there's the additional multiplier before the launch. So the more points you do before Monday, so you have 2 days, this is like super urgent right now, the more points you have. Of course, you can get points after that as well, and I'll be coming back to BullX as well after Monday. This is the first look. I've just gotten access and I'm going to show you a bunch of things because I think it's super cool. So first of all, BullX is covering a couple of chains. It's Solana, Base, Blast, Binance, Arbitrum, and Ethereum. So basically all the major chains where meme coin action is happening. In this video, I'll be especially talking about Solana because I think this is the chain when the most action is currently happening when it comes to meme coins. And also there's a very cool integration with pump.fun. So if you're trading meme coins on Solana and using pump.fun, you really have to use BullX because this tool is really something else and it gives you really great things. So how you can really use it? So first of all, you have your wallet. You can go to Portfolio Wallet Manager and basically you will have your primary wallet. This is a newly generated wallet where you have to send Sol or ETH on one of the EVMs to start trading. You can add funds here or withdraw without problems. You can also take the private keys and import that. So it's a standard thing when it comes to different DEXs and bots. You have a separate account just for BullX. So this is pretty cool to start with. Of course, here, as you can see, I have some Solana, 0.5 Solana to begin with. I did some trades already to start to test the platform, and I'm going to show you more. So I could export that. I could also look at the portfolio manager and what I did so far. As you can see that so far I lost $50 around playing around with different things, basically getting cheese and wine on a pretty good price and then losing everything on Magat here. So that didn't went well. I was testing around. Now, let me show you a couple of very cool things. So first of all, you have new pairs. So this is the place where all the new pairs will start appearing. And if you want to, for example, have Base and Solana on Blast here, you can also do that here as well. And you will here have more actions on those chains as well. Now, we're going to have a look at Solana for now. We want to have just Solana. And also, I'm going to, right now you can see that I'm going to getting Base as well, but it's going back to Solana in a moment. Now, Pump Vision is really what is interesting because you have a better dashboard for finding coins on pump.fun, which is, first of all, you have all the new creations and how many people there are on the different chats, what's the market cap, how many people got in. Second thing is things that are about to graduate. So as you know, on pump.fun, when some coin is going to hit $69,000 in a market cap, it's going to get graduated to Radium. Radium is this decentralized exchange, the major one on Solana, and you can then trade more easily than it is on pump.fun. So you can see everything that's graduating and you see all the recent graduates as well. You have different filters that you can use. So for example, you can look for things that are interesting for you, how many holders there are, like how big of a percentage they have of a particular token. Also, you have all the stats if you click on a particular token. So for example, here I can look at this token Trump. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. We're purely looking at different stuff. And right away you have the top 10 holders hold 20%. When it comes to those small meme coins, this is actually not that bad. Of course, assuming that they are not all related to the developer, but usually if you have things like a developer is holding more than say 10-20%, then that's definitely a red flag. You can check a bunch of things here and all the price action when it comes to Trump. You have the socials. Now that's currently migrating, so we can't really trade it. So let's go back to Pump Vision and maybe click on one of the coins that actually graduated from pump.fun and look at the price action here. As you can see, for example, there's a Tate token. You can see the current market cap as well. This wasn't really popular. We have Emory Tate. This actually got the current the market cap of around $300,000. You can see that top holders have around 34%, and it's actively being traded. Now, what's really interesting and what you can look at is this stats here, and this is really unique here in the top down corner, because you can look live on what is happening when it comes to buying and selling. So, for example, you can see whether, for example, there are more buys or more sells. You can also see what's the volatility here. So right now we have more buys than sells in the last 5 minutes. You can see the same thing for 1 hour, but this is of course a fresh token, so that will be the entire history. But this is basically it when it comes to the token. And now this is how you can also see whether there's more appetite for buying. And at some point when it's changing, you can try to get out of the token. This is one of the meme coin trading strategies. Of course, you have to do your own research and always the purely educational purpose. None of this will all guarantee you results. You have to understand that crypto, especially meme coins, are super risky. So you have to develop your own meme coin trading strategies. However, having all this data and also having the live data like number of holders, how they are actually divided into, for example, top 10 right now holds 35%, almost 34.5%. This is super important. Okay, so I don't endorse this coin in a case. I just found it. I'm going to buy a little bit just to show you how it works. So let's see. I'm going to buy 0.02. Click on the market buy, and I have the order executing on top. Now it's going to be completed. It's completed now. And now that's the cool thing. I have this buy here. I can try to sell it. And also what I can do is say I want to sell all the token when with the limit price. And now the limit price is really cool because I can move the sell button if, for example, the coin starts to fall a lot. So I put the limit order here. So it's not selling currently, but it's going to be sold if, for example, right now you can see that if it's going to fall a lot by more than 25-30%, if I want to, then basically it will be automatically sold. So it's a little bit like it's exactly the same as putting limit orders on a centralized exchange. So for example, right now you can see that the token has fallen below the line that I put, and order completed of selling the token. So this token sold. I got it right now, and I can of course buy again and try to think about where the price is moving. Let me sell it for now and show you a different thing. So this is of course small things. You should. This is the best way to lose money is of course jumping in and out of the positions all the time. So do not do what I'm doing right now. I'm just playing with the small amount of money here to show you everything. Now the cool thing is that of course you can do limit orders here with buy as well. So you can say you want to buy some percentage of token, and then you want to buy it when the price will be a little bit higher because you think it's the dip and you don't know if it's going to be dipping. So say if it's going to go back at some point, you're going to buy it. And then if you start selling, then for example, at some point you want to sell it afterwards. So you can put this kind of buys and sells on your tokens, and this is really great because it allows you to trade meme coins just like it were on a centralized exchange. As you can see, this is very sleek, very cool UX, user interface that you can use for yourself. I really love it. You have different stats also. Let's go to Token Explorer. Here you can get everything about the trending tokens, gainers, losers, especially for the larger tokens in the period of time that also you want to have a look at. So that's pretty cool one. You have the major tokens that you can look at right now. You can have your own watch lists, your positions, of course. So there's a bunch of things you can do. There's also automation. You can see that automations here are those limit orders, for example. There will be probably more automations added along the way. You can see the portfolio. As I've mentioned, and that's basically how you operate on BullX. So this idea of having all the stats in one place, and especially having this great front end for trading meme coins and having all the stats as I showed you when you go to a particular meme coin, that's really great, because it basically gives you all the data, all the tools you have from centralized exchange to a decentralized context, and a context of very new coins, meme coins, which is really a must-have. So as I've mentioned, there's currently an airdrop going on. So if you start trading and if you start using my link, I have this early partner referral link. So if you start trading that, you can see that you get up to 10% of fee discount, and on top of that you get access to the platform, because currently there's a wait list and you won't be able to access the platform before Monday, and only after that you'll be able to open the floodgates. But if you want to get access to the platform earlier, please use my link and have a look at the platform. I'll be coming back with different tips on trading meme coins and how you can use BullX platform, because this is only the beginning. It's very fascinating. I really like what I see when I think about the user interface here. One last thing is you have to log in with your Telegram. So basically how it works is that you'll be taken to the Telegram, you confirm your account, and then from the Telegram you'll be taken to your desktop application. This is how it basically works, and then you can configure everything for yourself. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.